Okay, here I am. I'm showing off my new remote control. Right here is just a receiver circuit. I have it set up as, I guess it could be a remote control car. I do have a motor on it that's bidirectional. I'm feeding 12 volts on one side, 5 on the other, and I have my radio frequency receiver here, followed by a decoder. The decoder indicates which of the 4 inputs have been selected, and then it goes next here to my motor controller, and that's what can tell the motor here to go either forward or backwards or stop. And the remote control is here. Here was the original circuit minus the radio RF transmitter. It was right here. I had 2 of them, and one burned out during test phases, so or was bad on arrival, I'm not sure. So now I'm down to 1, so I had to take it off my test circuit and put it into the, or off of the breadboard into the prototype. So here's the prototype. It's just a wooden box. As you can see, it has no strings or wires attached. And I'm going to be controlling the, I'll set it next to it so we can see it over here, this circuit here. I'll go ahead and turn the switch on. There I can see my power is indicated on my receiver circuit. However, none of my LEDs are lit because there's no communications with any RF device. I'm going to go over to my remote control. I turn it on. My LED for my remote control comes on. All 4 LEDs light up on here, plus the blinking green LED that indicates it has a connection established with a transmitter. And we'll try out my signals. So as you can see, the red LED went dead. I can go on and off there. Then we can go to the top one here. There's the blue going out. And here's the yellow going out. Or I'm sorry, that's the white going out. And which one have we? Blue, red. Yeah, bottom is yellow going out. It's hard to see on video, but it is in fact blinking. There's low and there's high. Low. Actually, I'll do it with all of them. That way you can also do multiple at a time. So right now, the only one illuminated other than green for signals. And there I'm blinking my yellow. So yes, you can do combinations. And I can also go ahead and power up the motor controller. We'll demonstrate that just to show that it can handle higher currents. I don't really have the motor hooked to anything, so I'll just go wild over here. There went one direction, there's the other direction. So, oops, kind of bounded up there. And that's all from the, oops, maybe get a better view here. There's one direction. Oops, yellow, red. And okay. So there you have it. There's my remote control. I started out with a smaller enclosure. It ended up being much too small, and I ended up burning up one of my circuits soldering. And that was until I got my nice solder iron. So that's why I went to the bigger box, used the same plate, and it works fine.